So the first thing we're going to show is that the printing print works here. The first requirement, as you can see, the tables match up perfectly. There's RA and there's RB. Now I'm going to run simulation 3 and let that run in the background while I explain some of the code for the other ones. So we need to update send routes. So we can go over to the network and look at that. Send routes, you see we've added code here. Update routes. We have this large chunk of code here. And we know that those work because we saw that the tables matched up perfectly. Then we have to forward packet. So we can go to that function, this chunk of code right here. And we also show that it can go from host 2 to host 1. So we will show those two in the code now. So host 1, it sends the packet. This is using this interface here, but it does go both from host 1 to host 2. So host 1 sends the message from host 1, and as you can see, host 2 receives the message from host 1. And then we do it the opposite direction, where host 2 sends the packet, and H1 receives it. So that shows we can get the forward one and to reply packet back to host 1. And finally, for this last part, we need to change the link cost in the network so that host 1 takes a different route than host 2 takes to host 1. So the way we achieved that was the link between A and C was different. So it would take route A to route C just 1, but from C, let's see right here, C to A is 3. So that difference is what causes it to take a different route, is the false advertising. And as you can see, when host 1 sends, it goes from A to C to D, A, C, D. But when host 2 sends, it goes D, B, A to host 1. So it goes the other direction. And that is everything.